Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I am recreating a very beautiful look by the beautiful Hailee Steinfeld. The look will be somewhere around here. I haven't done like a celebrity inspired makeup look in a while and I just wanted to do another one, so I went on Instagram and, well, Instagram stories. I did a poll, asked you guys what you wanted to see, and you answered me. So yeah, if you want to help me pick out my next celebrity makeup look or other things for my channel, definitely go and follow me on YouTube. So yeah, I just wanted to do something fun, something new. I saw this look by Hailee and I was like, oh, this is like a very pretty look that can also be wearable and it's not that hard to recreate. So I decided to do that. This is the look, and if you want to know how to create this, then just make sure to keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with priming my eyes. As you guys know, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. You guys know I love this. I always use it. So I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelids and blend it out. Before going in with any eyeshadow or anything, I'm going to go in with my Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense in Intense Black Honey. This is kind of like a burgundy liner, and I'm just going to tight line with this. I'm going to do this before eyeshadow to prevent me from getting my eyes watery and ruining my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I am going to be using a few of the more neutral shades because her look is very simple and neutral. So first color I'm going to go in with is Peach Meringue, and I'm just going to be applying this all like the inner third of my lid because she has like a very light inner third, but it's matte. So I'm just going to go in and apply it directly onto our inner third of the lid. I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well. Now I'm going in with Peach Tea and a fluffy brush, and I'm just applying this as my transition, and I'm taking it quite high because she has a really like high up, so we're gonna do that as well. And this is just the transition shade, so we're gonna be applying something a little deeper on top. And then to deepen up just the crease a tiny bit, I'm going in with Peach Cobbler, and I'm using another brush, and I'm just applying this onto my crease. Guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. The sunshine is bright today. It's bright. It's doing its thing. I'm just gonna apply this more directly into the crease. And then just to deepen everything up a tiny bit, I'm going in with Peach Tart and a very small amount of this, and I'm just going to apply it to my crease as well. And I'm not taking this color as high as I did the others. And once we're done with that, I'm gonna go back in with Peach Meringue, that initial shade that we used, and I'm just gonna reapply it on my lid and blend it into the crease colors that we just put on our eye. And then I'm going to go in with a clean brush and I'm just going to run this along everywhere. Okay, now in the picture I see that Hailee has like sort of a winged liner, but it's not completely defined. It's more like just a very smudgy look. So I'm gonna do that with shadow to just replicate that and make it very easy. So I'm gonna go in with chocolate dipped, and I'm just gonna use an angled brush like this one, and you're just gonna do a faux wing liner right now. Doesn't matter if it's a little messy, by the way. It's fine if it's messy. It adds charm, and when you put lashes on, it'll look a lot better. And I'm almost just concentrating all the color in the outer corner of the eye. I'm not really taking it in a lot, I'm just doing a lot on the outer corner. Okay, so now that we have her faux wings, they don't look perfect. It's alright. Hers didn't look perfect either. I'm gonna go to the lower lash line. So she had sort of like a defined outer third, so I'm gonna go back into the shade I was just using, and with the same brush I'm just gonna run it along, and then I'm gonna blend it out with another color. And I'm just connecting, because she seems like she had it all connected, so I'm just connecting the wing to that lower lash line thing. And after that, I'm just going back to the initial transition color, and I'm just running it along my whole lower lash line, because it doesn't look like she had anything like very, you know, heavy other than the like faux liner thingy. So I'm just gonna do that, a little transition color to add a little bit more shade, and then we'll move on. For the waterline, she has a nude on her waterline to brighten up the eyes, so you know I'm gonna be using my Honeydew liner by ColourPop, the only liner that I will ever use. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with some mascara and some lashes. Hailee looks like she has a lot more volume in the outer lashes, so I'm just gonna be using my Wispies by Ardell, and I am going to be cutting them in half, and I'm just gonna be applying the outer half onto my lashes. So I'm gonna use my Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I decided to ditch the frickin' lashes because they were just not looking really good with this look. If you want lashes, I'd recommend just like short individuals just in the outer corner. It would look really nice, but I just decided to go natural because that's who I am, and the lashes weren't looking great. So yeah, I also did my brows. Hailee has her brows done thickly and with product, you know, nothing like super out of the ordinary there, so I just did mine like I usually do, and now we are going to move on to the face. So for the most part, she looks to be really, I don't know if it's like the filter or what, but she looks very not super shiny, not dewy. I respect that. I wasn't always the dewy person that I am today, so we're gonna do that today. She had a lot of blush, which is why I sort of wanted to do this look as well, because I am into blush currently. And yeah, she has a pretty smooth face, so we're gonna recreate that right now. So for foundation, I don't really have anything like super coveragey. She has pretty full coverage, and I don't really have anything like that with me. So the only like actual foundation that I brought with me is the Healthy Mix Serum foundation from Bourjois. So I'm going to be applying this with my good old beauty blender to my face, and then we can move on. Okay, so foundation is applied. I know it's not like the fullest coverage. I have a few bumps here and there, but it's fine. She has like sort of a highlighted face, so I think I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 2W because I'm a little tan right now because the sun is like beating down on me. Okay, so after that is done, it's time for powder. I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm trying to go through this. It's very beaten up. I'm gonna put this all over my face. She doesn't look like she's overly dewy so she definitely powdered her skin, and we will do that right now. Now moving on to bronzer, I'm using my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. She looks very, very bronzy, so I'm gonna go a little overboard with this. Doesn't look like she's wearing any highlight, but she's wearing a lot of bronzer, so. Okay, now that we are bronzy, it is time to get blushy. She's also wearing a lot of blush, so I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude powder blush in that peach though. And we're also gonna go a little bit overboard with the blush because that is the life that we are currently living. Since I'm not doing highlighter today, I'm just moving straight into setting powder. I'm going in with my Cover FX mattifying setting spray. Okay, now her lips are really overdrawn, which I am all for, and they're a very beautiful like nude color, like neutral nude. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Purely Nude. Then I'm gonna go on top with my Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Lip Thing lipstick in Single. And okay, so the lip turned out slightly pinkier than the one she was wearing, but it's fine because I'm really enjoying this. So after we're done with our lips, the look is complete. Okay guys, we are done. It is so hot today in New York. I am boiling. Oh, I am dying, but anyways. that is it for today's look. I really hope you enjoyed. My hair isn't quite as lovely as Kaylee's hair is, but let's pretend that doesn't exist. And yeah, if you enjoyed this makeup, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can create more content for you guys, and let me know I already said that. Okay. I love you all so much. Sorry about the whole lighting situation. The sun is doing its thing. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!